Oh my gosh, should we give the birds a little bit of this right now? I think we should. Let's do it. Okay, so here we go. There it is. Oh my goodness. So it looks so good. So we mixed all kinds of oats in there that were gluten-free, agave, blueberries, Christine's Chop Shop for little sweet freeze-dried treats. So here we go. So we're gonna give them all a little spoon. This is how I do it. And I'll just stick it on a paper towel or whatever. That way I don't have to wash an entire bowl, because this can only sit out not that long. So you don't want anything like this to sit out too long, you guys, because it grow bacteria. So about an hour. If it's super hot like it is right now, it's pretty warm in here, I'm just gonna leave it in their cages for about 30 minutes and they'll be done anyways. So there we go, look at that. Isn't that cute? It's so cute, I love it. They're gonna love it. I hope they love it. Victoria! Hi. Do you want some? Look. Come over here. Come over here. You have to come up here, baby girl. What do you think? Do you love it? That's good, huh? Yeah. Oh, that's so good. So they love it. So I will give them a little bit in the morning, and that will be their breakfast. And then throughout the day, they get all kinds of food. I mean, this is just the beginning of their day. So here we go. Hey, Puffman. This cage, I just actually cleaned it yesterday. I cleaned everybody's cage yesterday, and I'm gonna come down here, and it's a mess already. It's Puffy, what can I say? There we go. Is that good? So link below of what they're eating and how you can make it. The video will be below, so you can see it's a hit. Okay, here we go. Do you want some? Here we go. Baby has not been in the best of moods. I'm gonna have you come down here. Do you want to come down here? Lately, he's kind of a little hormonal, which is absolutely what happens when you have a parrot. So, kind of just giving him some space, and but he's gonna have a good day because we're gonna go outside. Is that good? Yeah. Okay, so we got another hit. Okay, let's keep going because we've got a lot of birds to feed. Don't leave me, you guys. Don't leave me. We have to finish this task. Okay. Oh my goodness. Here's Miss Casey. My rescued African gray. Is that good? It would help if I moved the camera. There we go. Oh, she loves it! Okay, isn't this a great way to start the morning with your birds enjoying their food? I absolutely love it. Here you go, Thomas. Here you go, Thomas. Here we go. Did you just jump on my head? Oh my gosh. Ow! Ow, Maui! My gosh! Shoot! We haven't even shot the thumbnail and you're already messing up my hair. Okay, here we go. He wants his food. Can you blame him? Here we go. Oh my gosh! What is a video without a coyote messing up your hair? It's down here, honey. There we go. Okay, he was panicking. He thought he wasn't gonna get any. You see? I'm like, not joking. Birds love this stuff. What are you doing? Are you telling him? Okay, so we still have to get Quinn his food. Quinn! This is my quiet one. You want juice? You have to come up. Okay, it's up here. I think he hides out for Maui. Well, anyways, you guys, we hope you found this video entertaining, fun, most of all educational, right, Puppy? Yeah? If you did, please don't forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button so you can see more videos when we upload them. And we promise you're gonna love us, okay? Here we go! My hair's messed up. It happens like in every other video. Okay, guys. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye. Remember, spoil the heck out of your parrots. Parrots love to be spoiled, so spoil them.